Hey there, we're rolling with episode 5 of our AI Adventure series. So check this out. A few months back, I was messing around with Leonardo's AI image maker, cooking up some characters for our series about AI conversions. But guess what? Things have totally changed since then. That whole process of manually converting characters in Photoshop to get that authentic Haredi look, which you're seeing in time-lapse mode right now, has become about as useful as bringing an English teacher to the Mir Yeshiva. In the tech world, a few months might as well be an eternity. The way we used to do things back then looks as outdated as Israel's pre-October security misconception. Sure, on AI platforms like Lexica, Leonardo and others, the results are still quite limited when it comes to creating convincing Haredi characters about as awkward as really from Harlem trying to pronounce the syllable Lokschenkigel. But then, boom, along came NightCafe's image generator with this massive leap forward. One click and you've got yourself a perfect Haredi guy who looks like he was born wearing a gartel, with perfectly placed pies that sit just right, like some appearance-obsessed yeshiva kids would have. So as long as we're talking about a passive character or even an active character doing stuff that's not necessarily Jewish, like reading a book, picking out tomatoes at the grocery store, floating in the air, surfing, DJing, or going full Harry Potter mode, the results are remarkably impressive. But the moment you try creating a Jewish guy in a full action mode, like reading the Megillah, putting on tefillin, shuckling the lulav and stuff like that, the results are straight up laughable. AI and Photoshop still gotta work together like best buddies, because these pictures are full of major mess-ups and have more bugs than the yeshiva's ancient computer that still runs the same donation tracking software from the Clinton administration. Here are some examples. I asked for a guy with a talus and tefillin, and all I got was the Shaliat tefillin with straps wrapped around both hands. Like, seriously? When I tried to force it to create a shorosh, these are the masterpieces I ended up with. The same with trying to generate images of dikas chumetz, burning chumetz, baking matzah, shaking lulav, or delivering mishlach munes. Total disasters, like trying to make kishke from cornflakes, but looks like it's just a matter of time before AI masters all 613 mitzvahs with all their details. And pretty soon it will probably know every single halucha plus all the different minhugim, Litvish, Hasidic, Sephardic and Yakish, and every single subgroup and splinter group with their own unique twists. Remember that gentleman in pajamas from the Photoshop edited version we saw earlier? I experimented with creating similar images using NightCafe. The results are honestly mind-blowing. Well, if you ignore the random kippahs and books scattered all over the floor, the talaisim thrown over every empty chair, the 15-branch menorahs, the half-eaten challah everywhere, and tzitzis magically growing out of every towel corner. We'll keep tracking these AI developments. Thanks for watching this video. Mi'ez Hashem will catch you in the next ones.